Good morning, good night. By the way, if your lug bolts are starting to corrode, or if you just use them a lot and take them off and on a bunch like I do when I'm changing wheels, it's not a bad idea to replace them. Sherman over at Health Sport has a nice set of black ones that you can get, and they go with a slightly simpler design. This one has sort of the this movable piece, but it doesn't do anything for you really, because it's not like it moves when you're compressing it. And then this one is a one piece, and yeah, pretty nice. By the way, especially if you have dark wheels, like these look so much better. You'll get about 5 to 10 years out of lug bolts or lug nuts, but if you ever see them corroding or flaking, it's probably a good time to change them out, or certainly if they're wearing, it's a good time to change them. So that is what we're doing here. Still fits with the same Lotus hardware, and by the way, this is a lifesaver. This is an extra long wheel key, and this one is great. I definitely recommend it. Get them both over at Health Sport. Go talk to Sherman, great guy. And definitely make sure you torque these things down. You don't want them on just hand tight. The Lotus factory book says about 105 Newton meters, which is only 77 foot-pounds. That's way low. It's like very low. On my Corvette, we went to 100. On my old Miata, we went to about 80. Really, this car, I'm going like 95 foot-pounds. That's what I think it should be. I track this car, so I do not want these things fall off. On the other hand, we want to go crazy. We don't need to go over 100 foot-pounds. But anyway, anywhere, in my opinion, look, you do what you think is right. In my opinion, 95 is where you need to be for tracking these.